Okay, it arrived. I took a good look at the address, and yeah, it's like this weird combination. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, weird combination of addresses, but here it is. I'm super excited. Patrick's not here. I have to hold the phone myself because, you know, I'm not going to wait for him. I'm just not waiting for him. Ooh. Okay, what do we have here? Color Cube. Let's see what this is. I'm super excited about this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, there has to be a better way to open this. Oh, duh. It would help if I turned the right side up. There we go. Ooh. This is cool. I've got to open up. Okay. Yeah, this is probably the worst video ever. I did not feel like getting my GoPro. Okay, hold on a second here. Okay. Ooh. Let me see what these look like, because I have not seen these yet. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, I can tell you already, I'm going to love these. These are going to be fun. Okay, got those. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to dig through those in a little bit. What else do we have here? Ooh. Stickers. Fun. Fun. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. And looks like you can color them. Okay, cool. Fun. Okay. And then, go over box. Okay, here's the last one. Ooh, that is pretty. What is this? I like these colors. Okay, let me get it open. There we go. I'm impressed that I can do this with one hand. It would be so much faster. I'm like showing great restraint by doing this as slowly as I am, right? Okay. Ooh. Ooh, oh, this is cool. Daily planner with coloring. Oh, that is really neat. Thank you guys so much. This is going to be fun to play with. Fun. Yay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.